Hey there, if your iPhone is stuck on the text message screen and won't budge, no need to stress, I'm here to help you out. In this video, I'll walk you through some easy fixes to get your iPhone back to normal. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Force quit the Messages app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double-click the home button to bring up the app switcher. Locate the Messages app and swipe it up to close it. Reopen the Messages app and see if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button, either the volume up or volume down button, depending on your model, until you see the slider. Then slide to power off your device. Next, once your iPhone is completely off, press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. If your problem is resolved, great. To prevent this from happening again, try this. Solution 3. Update iOS. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update. When update is available, tap Download and Install. Solution 4. Remove unwanted files. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. After that, locate Messages and review the files like pictures, photos, or others you might want to delete. Alternatively, you can directly open the Messages app. Delete any unnecessary messages to help avoid similar issues in the future. That's it. This step should help you get your iPhone unstuck from the text message screen. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. Have any questions or need more assistance? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.